Namaste everyone. In this video, I will talk about 2 points. First one, that what I used to carry in my rucksack for trekking and now after attempting the boot camp, क्या चेंजेस मैंने किए हैं जिससे कि जो मेरा रक्सैक का वेट है वो ड्रॉप डाउन हुआ अप टू 5 kg. Second point is what are the essential gears, trekking gears we need to carry. Now, on my screen you can see the pictures in which I have all my gears. These are the gears I used to carry, and apart from them, I used to carry the stove, my butane cylinder, then 2 liters of water bottle, and food. जिससे कि my complete rucksack weight was between 12 to 17 kg. So now I will start a video in which I will show you what I am packing for my trek and what changes I have done which helped me reduce up to 5 kg. So let's start. Alright, so in this video I will start with my rucksack, which is of 65 liters and 1.8 kg, which is not much required, but I already have it, so I'm using it. Now you can see I'm having my power bank and sunglasses. Power bank is recommended if you want to use your phone as a multitasking, capturing videos and pictures, and as well as using it as a navigation. Uh, so in my case I'm using OSM application in it. It drains a lot of battery. Now coming second point is the tarp. So previously, if you have seen in the picture which I showed you in the start, I used to carry the Decathlon 2% tent. So it weighs around 2.5 kg. Now I'm only carrying the upper layer of it. Reason tents are too much comfort, and believe me, I have learned it. You don't need them when trekking in Himalayas. टेंट का सिर्फ इतना ही वर्क होता है दैट they are used to stop wind and save us from the rain. So this you can achieve with this tarp as well, and leaving the rest of the portion have saved me to have dropped down my bag weight around 2 kg. So and if you need tent which is of lower weight, you can import them from the outside of India, because in India we don't have much of trekking gear industry and they are not popular here. So now coming to the sleeping bag, I have, this is a winter grade sleeping bag. There is an inner layer to it which is of woolen, but now I am only using the upper layer of it because I don't need minus temperature support. So after removing it, I saved around 3 to 400 grams of weight. And as I told you earlier, tent and tarp work is only to stop wind and rain. Now rest of the work, which is to save you from the cold, is done by your sleeping bag and the clothes you are wearing in the night. Make sure you are wearing alternative pair which you are carrying while sleeping. Do not wear the one in which you are trekking if you want to have a comfortable sleep. Okay, so now I will be packing my jacket. In the end, I have separate portion of complete clothing which I am carrying, but for now I'll talk about the jacket. So this is basically in needed in nights when there's too much cold, and when you are not walking, when you're not moving, so you are like staying somewhere, so you can use this jacket to protect you from cold. And coming to the next, now I am carrying these paper maps because हम एक navigation exercise कर रहे थे, so we were just learning these skills. Which these are optional when you are having a guide. These are not required, but it is recommended when you're doing solo. So in case your navigation application is not working or your mobile gets switched off, these are the alternative you can carry to find out your way. if you know how to read them. This is a very interesting skill to learn. Now अब नेक्स्ट चलते हैं हम जो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट गियर है, वो है आपका स्लीपिंग मैट. सो आपको ये सब इसकी ज़रूरत आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पड़ेगी. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ लेयर बिटवीन द ग्राउंड एंड योर स्लीपिंग बैग. सो इसके काफ़ी रीजंस हैं, बट few of them are such as comfort. It will provide you comfort. It saves you, it gives you moisture protection. लेकिन जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट रीज़न है इसका, वो है इंसुलेशन. जब आपकी when you are camping in winter, when there is at high altitude there is too much cold ground. So if you are not using the mat, the cold ground sucks heat out of your body through conduction. So mat forms the thermal barrier and protect us from hypothermia from cold night. So I have brought this from Decathlon and ये काफ़ी sustainable है. I would recommend you guys to buy it from there as well. Now also another essential gear, which is your raincoat. ये काफ़ी important gear है, which जो कि किसी भी रीज़न से किसी भी हालात में आपके पास हमेशा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज़ इट प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम बीइंग वेट. बिकॉज़ अगर आप हाई एल्टीट्यूड में या जहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड है, अगर आप बारिश से गीले हो जाते हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड आपको काफ़ी सारी यू विल बी प्रॉन टू हाइपोथर्मिया. So or other things related to it, such as nausea, like fever, cold, everything. Now I have a raincoat, as well as I have another bag coat which come along with this bag tripod gear, with this rucksack. So I have 2 layer of protection. My bag is मेरा बैग भी वेट होने से प्रोटेक्टेड है, and myself as well. And इसके अलावा rather than carrying the 2-liter water bottle, I'm carrying only 0.75 liter water bottle. And also there's a separate food planning as well in it, जिसकी वजह से I have dropped the weight down.